equation of plane passing through a given point, passing through given point and is perpendicular to given planes. किसी एक पॉइंट्स में से प्लेन जो है पास कर रहा है और दो प्लेन्स के परपेंडिकुलर है. Then we want to find the equation of plane. Let us start with the question. Find the equation of plane passing through point 1, 1, -1. इस इक्वेशन में से प्लेन पास हो रहा है and perpendicular to planes x plus 2y plus 3z minus 7 is equals to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equals to 0. Now we know that the equation of plane passing through one point. क्या होती है इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन? अगर एक पॉइंट में से पास करता है ax minus x1, by minus y1, cz minus z1, यही होती है इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन. इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू x1, y1 and z1. Now this is given x1, y1, z1. Put the values a x minus 1, b y minus 1, c z minus minus plus 1. Now this is equation of plane passing through this point. Now it is given that the equation of plane is perpendicular to these two planes. Now the direction ratios of the plane are proportional to ABC. Now this plane is perpendicular to these planes, so A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. Apply that condition. A1 is 1 into A, 2 into B and 3 into C. With second plane 2 into A minus 3 into B plus 4 into C. From here solve the values of A, B and C by using cross multiplication method. What we get? A upon B upon and C upon. Now A upon 4 into 2, 8 minus minus plus 3 into 3, 9. B upon 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 into 4, so 6 minus 4, and C upon minus 3 minus 2 into 2. Let this equal to lambda say. So what we get? A upon 17, B upon 2, C upon minus 7. From here we get the value of ABC as A is equals to 17 lambda, B is 2 lambda and C is minus 7 lambda. Put these values in equation 1. 17 lambda x minus 1, 2 lambda y minus 1, minus 7 lambda z plus 1. Taking lambda common and 0 upon lambda will be 0. So we are left with 17x minus 17, 2y minus 2, minus 7z minus 7. So 17x plus 2y minus 7z, 7 and 2 9, 17 and 9, 26. So minus 26 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of plane. Is it clear? सबसे पहले हमने क्या दिया? हमें गिवन था कि जो इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन है एक पॉइंट में से पास कर रही है और टू प्लेन्स के परपेंडिकुलर है. अगर इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इफ इट पासेस थ्रू पॉइंट x1 y1 z1 is a x minus x1 plus by minus y1 plus cz minus z1 equals to 0. Point x1 y1 z1 we have given. Substitute the value of x1 y1 and z1. After that the given is the given जो इक्वेशन हमें प्लेन की निकालनी है that is perpendicular to other two planes. If the two planes are perpendicular then we have condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 0. After applying this condition, we get these two equations. Now by cross multiplication method, solve the value for A, B and C. We have values of A, B and C now. Then put these values in equation 1. Then we get the equation of required plane. Now इसी का ही एक और काइंड है और टाइप है इक्वेशन की. When equation of plane passing through two given points, दो पॉइंट्स में से पास कर रही है एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू गिवन प्लेन और एक प्लेन के परपेंडिकुलर है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Find the equation of plane passing through point 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 4 and perpendicular to plane x minus 2y plus 4z is equals to 10. Also show that the plane thus obtained contains the line r vector as minus I plus 3j plus 4k plus lambda into 3I minus 2j minus 5k. Now the equation of plane passing through point x1, y1, z1. We know what is the equation of plane. A x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1. Is it clear? Now the equation of plane passes through this point. So a x minus 2, b y minus 1, c z minus minus plus 1. Now the equation of plane also passes through this point minus 1, 3, 4. So put these values here. Minus 1, minus 2, b is, y is 3 and z is 4. जो प्लेन है इट पासिस थ्रू minus 1, 3, 4. Now we get the equation minus 3a plus 2b plus 5c equals to 0. Clear? Let this equation as 1 and this as 2. Now it is given that the required plane is perpendicular to this plane. So if the two planes are perpendicular, then a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equals to 0. a1 here is 1. 1 into a, 2 into b, 4 into c. Now we will have to solve these two equations for the values of a, b and c. So a is 4 into 2, 8, minus minus plus 2 into 5, 10. And b is 5 minus minus plus 4 into 3. C is 6 minus 2, say equals to lambda. So what we get? A is equals to 18 lambda, B is 12 plus 5, 17 lambda and C is 4 lambda. Is it clear up to here to everyone? सबसे पहले हमें क्या गिवन था? इस पॉइंट में से इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पास कर रही है. So one point में से अगर equation of plane पास करती है तो general equation is this. Now we put the value of x1, y1 and z1. After that it is given the plane passes through this point also. So instead of x, y, z we have to put these values and we get the equation in the form of a, b and c. After that it is given the required plane is perpendicular to this plane, then a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equals to 0. By using cross multiplication, we have find the value for a, b and c. Now put this value of a, b and c in 1. A is 18 lambda, x minus 2, 17 lambda, y minus 1, c is 4 lambda, z plus 1. So we can write it as 18x. Take lambda common, 18x minus इक्वल्स टू 0, लैम्डा उस साइड पे गया तो 0 अपॉन लैम्डा इज 0, सो 18x प्लस 17y प्लस 4z, 17 minus 4 13, 36 and 13 is 49. So we get this equation 18x plus 17y plus 4z minus 49 equals to 0. Now the coordinates of any point on this line क्या होंगे? Coordinates of any point on given line this 3 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 5 lambda plus 4. These are the coordinates x, y, z. Put these values here and we will have to check whether these points satisfy this equation or not. 18 into 3 lambda minus 1 plus 17 into minus 2 lambda plus 3, 4, z is minus 5 lambda plus 4. We will have to check whether it is equals to 49 or we can say minus 49, then it should be equal to 0. 18 into 3 minus 18 plus 16 minus 49. 34 and 20, 54 lambda plus and minus, it will get cancelled. 16 and 18, 18 minus 16, 51 minus 2, 49 minus 49, that is equals to 0. So अगर हम ये coordinates इस कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में पुट करते हैं, then it satisfies the given equation. Therefore, these coordinates lie on the given plane. Hence, this plane contains the given line. तो इस plane में ये line होगी. Now the next one. Find the equation of plane passing through 3, 4, 2, 7, 0, 6 and is perpendicular to the plane 2x minus 5y is equals to 15. Now equation of plane passing through point, equation of plane passing through point x1, y1, z1. What is a into x minus x1, b into y minus y1, c into z minus z1. The point is 3, 4, 2, x minus 3, y minus 4 and z minus 2. Now the required plane, it passes through 7, 0, 6. So put these values, x is 7, y is 0 and z is 6. So what we get? 7 minus 3 minus 4b, 6 minus 2, 4c. We can write it as a minus b plus c is equals to 0. A minus b plus c is equals to 0. Now it is given that required plane is perpendicular to this. So a1 into a2, b1 into b2, c1 into c2 equals to 0. Solve this equation for a, b and c. A 0 minus minus plus 5, b 2 minus 0 and c is minus 5 minus minus plus 2. That is equals to lambda. So what we get? A is equals to 5 lambda, equals to 2 lambda and C is minus 3 lambda. Put these values of A, B and C in equation 1. 5 lambda x minus 3 plus 2 lambda y minus 4 minus 3 lambda z minus 2. Taking lambda common, 0 upon lambda is equals to 0. 5x, 5 into 3, 2 into y, 2 into 4, 3 into z, minus minus plus 3 into 2. So 5x plus 2y minus 3z minus 8 plus 6 minus 2 minus 15 and minus 2. So we get 5x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to 17. Note it down.